This is Joe from YoChicago.com. I'm headed to a terrific Lincoln Park location near the park's most popular attractions to tour one of the renovated vintage apartments at the Patricians, 401 West Fullerton. I'm in the foyer of Unit 501, a one-bedroom that just might have the best layout you're going to find anywhere in Lincoln Park. There's a walk-in closet off to the right as you enter, and another deep walk-in straight ahead as you enter. You're looking at light hardwood oak flooring that extends throughout the unit, sconce lighting, high baseboard moldings and crown moldings, beautiful bay window facing north, giving you a view out to Lincoln Park, which is literally just about across the street. And then looking out to the west toward Clark Street, which is a few steps away. Great miles-long strip of bars, restaurants, one-of-a-kind big box shops, grocery shopping right around the corner. Great sized living dining area here, but then you also have a separate dining area in the kitchen, which you might want to turn into a great home office. Kitchen is galley style, has good cabinet and counter space. Stainless steel appliance package includes a built-in microwave and a dishwasher. Granite counters, undermount sink, honey maple stained cabinets, and plenty of them. Then the bedroom is in a totally separate wing. There's a linen closet opposite the bath. Stylish tile bath with a pedestal sink, wall-mounted medicine chest, shelving for shampoo and soap in the tub surround, then a very generously sized bedroom. To accommodate any size bed and plenty of additional furniture in this room. This is really an unusual layout for Lincoln Park. Very appealing, lots of space, kind of space where you can settle in for a while. In a building with attractive amenities for the location, and location. Hard to beat this one. Put it on your must-see list. Head to the building's website to see floor plans and near real-time rent and availability info.